He stopped. Who's he talking to?
To the jet ski,
Is that who he's talking to? Oh, yeah. He's,
Insta360, you need to fix your cameras and the mics. You need to have them correctly connect. Man, I was connected to the X6. It did turn it on, it did wake it up, but it didn't connect the mic audio gain at all. So I got it connected to the Insta360 Luna Ultra. You see down on the forks? I got these bike lights, and yeah, I gotta turn them on. It's a simple long press, and the lights come on. And I need to get to a place that don't have any cars and all while it's still low light. I've taken off my large bike light. I do need to put it back on and make sure it's tight and secured. I forgot to do that. Now these lights are tail lights, they're for the rear. They can sit on the seat post, not the seat itself. And they're made pretty well. I'm doing a review from FitCam X. They're for model cars like the RAV4 I have. And it's a dash cam. It's basic, but gets the job done. And that video I can get on out there and do a ride at nighttime to see how well the camera performs. I have a Ulanzi SK23. And man, let me tell you, I haven't charged that thing for at least 2 months. Put it on the hood of the car with the Atto, vision dock and all. And man, I went around the block. I think I'm just gonna put the camera only on it and go for a ride. So let's get on going. I'm not learning that much. When I hit record on all my cameras, I got a still. 1000, 2 1003, and then talk. I lose too much at the beginning. It clips, meaning I start off in the middle. Like I'm missing the beginning of my talk on most of my clips. Fish. I know, that's where the editor comes in and you cut the beginning. You move the marker to the beginning of your talk. I know this for fact and for sure. The Mic Pro is not like the DJI Mic 2. The Mic 2 is a lot louder. And yeah, this is a little lower. So I do see the difference when I play it back on the laptop. I don't know if I want to increase my gain value of each individual camera, but I'm going to have to one day. So I did my video, did my share, did my fun, and let me turn the camera around to the front so you get to see the start of the sunrise. Color's got color, sky's got color is what I'm trying to say. I pressed like 5 times there, X6, and you just wouldn't go back to the selfie mode. Me switching to the back lens, or the front lens as it's called. Maybe it's wet fingers, maybe I didn't hit it hot enough, or I needed to do it light enough. You never know. I double tapped you. Insta360 never wanted to put the buzz to the record button. They only want to keep it to the internal record. Well, maybe they should listen to the consumer. I just got back from Insta360, another letter, and they will inform me personally when they got that LED indicator all corrected and pushed out. Yeah, it is what it is, man. I wonder if I gotta yell to the camera, because sometimes, you know, my voice, maybe it's the way it's meant, it's said. I don't know. I don't get it. Not gonna bother me. I don't know if the bike light bothers the camera. It faces in upward fashion just somewhat. So let me bring you over here to the side just a little. I am on Instaframe 2.0, and I will check each and every day if they got that foldable stick and use my coupon. Well, I don't want to get everything that Insta has. I just hope one day they get the Instaframe 2.0 and don't disappoint everybody by putting out a new Model 1. And then when you make a mistake, oh, it's for the X5. It's supposed to be for the X6. You know what I mean. The wind's kicking, and I used one of my clamps, and I got the tripod mount. And I'm ready to go do my final polishing ones up for the Cannondale Adventure 2. The tail lights. And they are pretty neat, if asked. So I got everything all lit up and ready to go. Highlight of my talk. I'm gonna miss the action. I can't bring it over there. But what I can do is I could rotate my camera this way just a little bit and get the shot I want. We want to be safe with what we do. I do have 360, but I'm not on Instaframe 2.0. I'm on single lens. And we know which camera performs quite well with single lens. It's the choice you have to make. Why? In Instaframe 2.0, I'm mirrored. And in single lens, I'm not mirrored. That's what I just noticed. And nobody says that. Well, I have a 360 hooked up, and I could walk around in Instaframe. It's quite windy, and my camera is, onto a park bench with a tripod from Andy Sign and an unknown aluminum selfie stick. As you can see with the bike over here, we got some lights on. And they do a nice job. They accent the front forks. If I had another set, they'll be on the back seat as well, and they really make my ride look nice. Well, I got all the lights I need for now, as you can see on the bike and all. There's the tail light. It's all right, I can make it blink, but the lights on the front really look nice. The only thing I need to do here, find a seat. Can't find a seat exactly like this anymore. Maybe I'm being too picky online. I don't want a gel seat. This is foam inside with vinyl. And it's ripping. And it's a Walmart purchase, no more. I'll eventually find a seat. I thought I found one and I hesitated. I didn't like the way the springs were. They were triangular springs, and they were over here triangle ball, and they bounced up and down. That ball went like that. It wasn't springy. It was just didn't look like a good design at all. And I don't want to be bouncing on a seat. I want to be firm on the seat. I don't even know if it tracked me or not. I didn't see a box around me, I just see a little lettering. Even though this is on here secured, it still wobbles. So this has to be up there further. Now I'm able to make a 360 video so you get to see what's happening. But let me polish off this one video here. Put on a bike, your light, a scooter, or just carry around on your belt with the straps they give you for walking, biking, hiking, to be alert in low light. Cameras, man, they're fun. Set them up just right, get what you need. So here we are. Let me see if I could get close to the daisies for you. Get right into there. And get on going. I'm not perfect with making shots like that. Well, it's time for me to get on out of here, go meet up with Joe, and take care of Bizwax.